Okay, we've got some kitty bear. Whoa, whoa, yeah. And laserdisc with our sponsor, Seagull, motherfucker. There we go. Laser order 66. Thank you. Sealed, Death on the Nile, with some camels. What do you think of that? No, doesn't give it approval. Oh, damn. Whoa, we got some apes. Planet of the Apes. Hopefully this plays. At least side at the end of side, or near halfway through of side 1 and side 2. At least on the other pressing that I had, which was sealed. I think it's been tested. Because it doesn't matter what player I put it in. It just had, I think it was crosstalk or something. I don't think the disc was totally, we'll say, be warped or something, because it looked pretty relatively flat. So I'll check, see how this goes. Yeah. Anyway, it should be okay. Maybe I'll check that out later. Ooh, 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 ooh. You maniacs! You maniacs! You blew it up! Damn you! And that was our sponsor, Seagull, you motherfucker! Oh, and finally her alibi, because this, yeah, because laser order 66, he had a bit of an alibi. This should have got sent out with the other packages, what was it, last month or something? But it probably didn't get put in the, what's it, yeah, so this one's arrived. So we got Tom Selleck here with a fucking knife, and we got Melanie joining. You watch out for Steven Seagull. His beak, he pecks. We've got some wild bunch. Well, these look like wild bunches. Look at them, look at them, look at these two. They should be. Oh, Melanie's go. She's going up. She's getting in there for the wild bunch. Hey, don't scratch it. Don't scratch it, Melanie. Whoa, you bugger. She's going over here. No hams. Can't push this over and it goes broken. So that's the wild bunch. Look at them. Look at them. Wild bunch. Da 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 da. The wild bunch. Da 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 da. The wild bunch. Wild bunch. Da 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 da. Wild bunch. Da 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 da. You wild thing. Yeah, you wild thing. Whoa, Steven Seagull, you motherfucker! Thank you, Laser Audio 66. Geo! Thank you very much. And here's our sponsor again, Steven Seagull! Steven, you motherfucker!